Let's talk about some just using ChatGPT or OpenAI or any and there's tons of other ones out there. If you want to write, if you want to do video, there's a AI engine that will produce you a whole video based off the words you write down. There are AI things like for talking about like telephone prompting. We have this particular voice that one of the guys likes, and he writes in the greeting, like when you know, the voice recording for when you call into a business. He writes it and then he puts it in, and a AI agent spits out the voice so that it's very concise. There's no or pauses or whatever. So you can pick the person you want, you get the voice that you want, which kind of leads me even to some challenges, even when we look at, say, like Hollywood, big strike going on with the folks out there because they could film somebody, they could record somebody, and they could duplicate that person in not every scenario, but in great numbers of scenarios. They can reduce their production time just greatly by AI, and they're actually using the person and their voice. They're just manipulating it with AI. So let's just talk about define a desired outcome. You pull up Chat GTP and you draft a marketing email for healthcare practice administrator to book a HIPAA risk assessment. The email should be no longer than, these are the prompts. This is what you're looking for. No longer than 2 paragraphs, and it should have a casual yet professional tone. You can tell the agent, the AI agent, what tone, how long, how many words, the kind of the mindset, everything. You want to provide some background. Make sure to include the importance of the assessment and each time, um, and the time relevance as the end of the year is nearing, because they need to have an annual risk assessment. You want to Here's some examples. Here's an example from last year of a successful email about the HIPAA risk assessment. You can take something that you've already written or that you like, and it'll model it off of that. You could take something that someone else wrote that you really like, and you can kind of turn on other types of parameters. You want to also check it for accuracy whenever it's done, because again, it is not 1,000% accurate. It's going to be based off of your prompting as well as the data pool that it comes from.